开始。
Hello everyone, this is our new machine for food, and right now I introduce you how to use this machine by Mommy. This is the donors. So far I am go to the machine. I choose food. This is a touch screen. All the food pictures I can choose here. Right now I click this one. I will see from here. Now the name of this product, and this is a price, and this is a balance, and it's 2 donors. Now I put in 5 donors. Now it is for change coins. Right now I need to wait here, and the machine will take the food from this room to the microwave. I can see from the screen it is preparing the food. That means it is heating. When food finished, get out from this room and will take. It is a heated one. Now I open the door and show you the inner side. Take this, turn left. And open. This tab, here's a microwave for heating, and this part beer acceptor and touch screen, and here for the food window and the coin acceptor. See the cooling room. These are the trays for food. There are 8 trays, and each tray has 4 slots. I show you this one. Take this out. I can see from this there are 4 slots for food. The food will be looked at like this, or look like this. We'll finish the food. Now I show you how the machine is working. First, choose food. I choose this pizza. See, the price is $3. I put in 5 also. Coin change, $2. Also heating here, and after heating, you get out. Take out this one. All the price and the heating time can be set for different type of food. I close it. First, close this one. Here, this is LCD displayer. You can show videos or pictures. There's a touch screen, bill, and the food taking window and the coin change. There's a full shape. It can be work with different stickers with your own logo or your own advertisement words. Take a show around of this machine.